Hi there, students. To unfold. To unfold. You can unfold a piece of paper. Here we go. So, is it completely unfolded? Yeah. Okay, so to unfold a piece of paper. But we also use this verb to unfold to talk about a story, for example. A story unfolds. It becomes clear as you watch a film. The story unfolds. The director of the film slowly unfolds the story. A storyteller or an author slowly or gradually unfolds the tale. They explain it so that it becomes clearer. A situation can unfold. The events develop. So I would like to see how this situation unfolds. What happens to make it clearer? Because a piece of paper, when it's all folded up, you can't see what's on it, but you need to unfold it, and then you can actually read what is on it. Okay, so to an event unfolds, it gradually developed. There was an amazing scene unfolding before my eyes. It was happening, it was taking place, it was transpiring. Okay, so a story unfolds, events unfold. Okay, so to open to view, to become clear by gradual disclosure. So something unfolds, it becomes clear, it evolves. The story unfolded, the story evolved, it developed. I guess you've got a rosebud, and the rosebud slowly unfolds and opens out. Okay, so something could unfold before your eyes, open to somebody's understanding, so that you actually know what has happened, what has been happening. So the development unfolded naturally. To slowly unfold, the situation slowly unfolded. The situation became more known, it became more understood. Okay, how a situation finishes depends on how the events unfold. What happens? What actually goes on? Or a story unfolds as somebody tells it to you, tells you more and more about it. So he unfolded the story slowly to everyone present. He revealed it. He told the story, and this is the idea of unfolding a story. Or you could just unfold a piece of paper. Let's just unfold this. Or you could unfold a blanket. A bird could unfold its wings, open out, spread out, expand. Okay, so to unfold, the opposite to fold. You fold a piece of paper. I quite like paper folding. Okay, so to unfold, to turn out, to develop, to reveal, to open, to happen, to expose, to uncover. So let's see, what about formality? The story unfolded. It sounds a little bit literary. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it anywhere. It's a little bit formal for something informal, but I think it would work. And as to origin, well, we've got an Old English word, unfaildan, to unfold, which is the equivalent of unfold. Faildan, to fold, from Proto-Germanic faldana, to fold, Proto-Indo-European pel, to fold. Okay, so quite easy really. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To unfold.